Welcome to the Easy Tech channel, and here we are talking about Firefox that has been updated to version 71. And the major reason here that I talk about it is for the security reason of Firefox 71. So basically, if you look at Firefox 71, one of the things that I actually mostly wanted to talk about here in the release notes was the fact that in Firefox 71 there's a lot of security fixes. So look at that here. When you look at the security fixes here, look at this security bulletin of very high impact security flaws that are within Firefox that have been fixed in this version. So just that should actually tell you that even if you don't really care about new features, you should actually really update your Firefox browser. The other thing is to check out. There's one feature that you might find interesting is that when you actually look at videos on a web page, you might actually notice that that video now has a little blue icon on the right side. When you actually go there, it says picture in picture. You can click there, have the overlay of the video, and then you can open tabs and work with other things and other web pages within other tabs, and still continue watching that video that you wanted to see. Works with YouTube and many other many websites. So how do you know if you have the latest version of Firefox? Well, actually, you just open your Firefox browser. You go into the upper right corner in the three horizontal lines, or what we call a hamburger menu. And then we go to the Help and About Microsoft. If you're not updated already, it's going to update to the latest version 71. And like I said, even though the new feature might not appeal to you, at least for security reasons, you should update. I think it's important. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.